Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I Saloni welcome the students of standard 7th to the online classes of computers. As we have studied about how to create and modify a chart in our previous class, so now in this class we will move further to the chart tools. It means the tools which are available to create the chart. The chart tools appears on the ribbon when you click on the chart. The tools are located on three tabs. First is design tab, second is layout tab and third is format tab. So first we will discuss about the design tab. From the design tab you can choose the chart type, that whether you want to create a line chart, a pie chart, XY scatter chart, area chart or any other type of chart. Then the layout of the chart, that how it will appear, the styles and the locations of the chart. Here you can see the figure 1.14. So you can see that here these are the chart layouts in which the way that the chart will appears. This is the chart styles. It means that how it will appear, in which style you want to create your chart. Okay, so the second is layout tab. So on the layout tab you have many options to choose from and select for your chart. You can insert pictures, shapes like triangle, rectangle, any of the shapes, then text boxes, labels or background to your chart. So using a layout tab you can insert the pictures, you can insert various shapes, you can insert the text boxes, the labels or the background you want to be appeared in your chart. The third is format tab. So under the format tab you will find many options to modify the shape styles, word art styles or the size of the chart. It means that in the format tab you can modify your chart after the creation of the chart. You can also change the shape, you can also give the shape various styles, you can also give a word art styles. It means you can, here this is known as a word art styles. You can see that this is known as a word art styles. You can have you want to want your letter to be appear, have you want a particular alphabet to be appear, that is known as a word art styles. These are the shape styles, have you want your shapes to be appeared. Okay, so you can see that this is an diagram 1.16 is about the format tab. It means how you can change the format or what changes you can make in your chart using the format tabs. Okay, so here we have studied about the chart tools. So how many types of tools are there? It means that the tools is consist or it is classified into three tabs. First is design tab, which is used to change the chart type, chart layout, style and location. Second one is layout tab. It deals with the pictures, shape, text boxes, labels and background. Third is format tab, which is used to modify the shape styles, word art styles or size of the chart. Now we will move further to copy a chart in MS Word. Now once if you have created your chart, it means that if your chart is created in MS Excel and now you want to reallocate it. It means that once you have created a chart in MS Excel, you can easily reallocate them. It means that you can place it to the another place in Microsoft Word. You can just easily move it into the another document. It means that you can move it to the another software also. The various steps to copy a chart from the MS Excel to MS Word are listed below. So now various steps are given in which how you can copy a chart. First is click on the chart to select it. Then go to the home tab and click on the copy button from the clipboard group to select it. So first you have to select the chart which you want to move or which you want to copy. Then go to the home tab and directly click on the copy button. It means that your chart is copied. Now open the MS Word document where you want to copy the chart. Then click on the paste button from the clipboard group of the home tab. You will get a copy of the chart there. It means that the copy paste will be there. It means your chart will be copied from the MS Excel and it will be pasted to the MS Word document. Okay, so these are the how to create a chart, how to modify a chart and how to copy a chart in MS Word. Now we will move further to the keywords. First, chart. A chart is a pictorial representation of the data. Second is chart area, the area within which all the chart components are found. Third is coordinates. It means the axis x, y of the graph. Fourth is data series, a collection of entries from which a chart is derived. Fifth is grid lines. It means the lines which are running from the x and y axis separately. Sixth, x-axis, the horizontal axis of the chart. And seventh is y-axis, the vertical axis of a chart. Here we have finished our lesson number first. So we will share the PDF of exercise A, that are filling the blanks, exercise B, that is tick the correct option, exercise C, that is true or false, and exercise D, match the following. So the PDF of all the exercises, exercise A, B, C and D, I have already shared with you. So you have to write all the exercises including the keywords. So the keywords, exercise A, B, C and D. These all exercises you have to write in the computer fair book. Okay, and the exercises A, B, C and D you have to write in the textbook also. Okay students, it is clear to you? Fine. So now we will meet in the another lecture. In that I will give you the question answers and the difference between, means that the exercise E and F we will discuss in the next period. For now you have to write the keywords and exercise A, B, C, D in the textbook as well as in the computer fair book. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.